Hi everybody, welcome to my art room. I am going to do a swipe with my ink Cell Activator and Sargent pouring medium. This is white house paint. Everybody can get white eggshell house paint. Sargent's pouring medium is easy to attain. Amazon craft stores probably have it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a swipe with my card. So I've got Deco Art, Coral, I've got Yellow Green by Pebeo, better make sure I put enough. I got Cad Yellow, Deco Art Cad Yellow, some orange. I added some gold to this orange. It was a bright orange by Deco Art. Deco Art Americana, I believe. So I toned it down with some gold. Some gold. All right, let's see what I can do with this. I think I should get a new card. That should be okay. I got my Cell Activator in here. Put it on my card. Let's start here in the middle. Okay, nothing happened. Oh, I am not winning tonight. What is wrong? My cards are not working tonight. Maybe it's too... I'll get a new one. Maybe it's too wet or damp from my other swipe. So I'll try it again on the other side and see what I get. think I pulled the paint enough. There, that's what it's supposed to be like. I don't think I pulled it here enough. I'm just wondering if there's enough paint I can go over it a bit. Oh, there's always something wrong. Some days you just have it, and some days you don't. I think I've scraped 4 paintings tonight. I was using black base before, and my consistency wasn't right. You have to have the right consistency. I think my paint underneath was too thin. Okay, let's try this again. I think I'll hold it like this. Wow, that's kind of different. All right, let's just carry on and finish it and see what I get. Oh, look how nice that is. There. There, I got some color to come through. Oh, that worked. All right, now what I'm going to do with these corners. right, I'm just going to spin it now. I got lots of cells, so it does work. As long as you have the right base is one consistency, then it gets thinner as you get to the top, and the Cell Activator is the thinnest. This centered, do I? Can move it this way a little bit. I like how there's the small little cells here, the big cells. That's different because I went over it twice. That's okay, still looks good. I'll do another spin and then I'll okay, let's do my swirls. Clean this off and then you can see what it looks like. I gotta get myself some bigger canvases. There. There, I kind of like this one. Wasn't sure at the beginning, but once you spin it and stretch it out, it changes. Just get rid of these little white dots. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry and see how it dries. There you go. Oh, if you like this video, please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications. Comment below, let me know what you think. And yeah, some alternatives to the Shelly Art Bloom recipe. You can do swipes and blooms. All right, have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried swipe. It's drying really well. I don't want to touch the middle. I think it's a little tacky still. Let's get some gold shine in there. Oh, it's going to look good when it's dry. It'll look nice varnished or resined. There you go. Have a great day. Bye-bye.